you about this one.
Then we're going to read about a hippo?
Yeah. What? I'm good.
What's his full name?
Hippopotamus, right?
Yes. Perfect.
And let me read this.
Sure.
Can you face mommy?
Are you taking a photo of me?
Yeah.
And hippopotamus is ultimately eat grass, and they smell in the water, and they swim a lot, and then they breathe in the cold water, and they mostly get sick all the time, but they breathe in water, and then they don't get any more sick. And I mostly